When you consider that there's a million tons of food going to waste in Ireland every year, and anyone who works with food does not want to throw that food away. I've never had anyone say, no, actually, I'd rather put the food in the bin. It's a challenge, though, to find a good home for that food, and that's why we exist, to help those food producers, those supermarkets, get that good food to charities. And then for charities, it's an additional resource that they didn't have before. So whether you're a homeless charity, a breakfast club, an after schools club, a women's refuge, any charity that uses food can benefit from this by feeding more people or by providing additional support in that community.
Yes, it's an absolutely amazing idea, and it's got percent. Now, nearly running out of time. We're going to sort of give a quick look back. There's like, this is just probably one of the bigger sets. People are shouting from the rain here, but like, there's people stretching back from ages all the way down there. This is one of many, many roads. Marie, the crack is mighty here, has to be said. I was outside there a while ago walking through, and it was lashing out of the heavens, and there were people jiving. It's like the weather doesn't mean anything to people around here.
And in this town now, Mike Denver will be coming on in a while with his band. So, you know, they'll be dancing in here as well.
Will there?
Yeah, Richie Cavanagh's here, going to be plenty